Okay, welcome. So on this video, we learn how to create this kind of drop-down website. About us, we have mission, vision, website design, marketing, mobile app. Under it, you have Android app, iOS app, and the rest. So by the end of this video, you can be able to create this kind of website. That's about us, services, clients, investors, pricing, training, and the rest. So create a folder. I'll call my folder drop-down website. Now in that folder, I will have an image. So check the video description of this video. You'll see the image. So create a file index.html. So index.html. Okay, create file. So create another one again. CSS style.css. Style.css. So create file in that same folder. Now in that folder I have my image and my two files. So I'll paste my image now. So check the video description of this video. You'll see the images and the source code. So background.jpg, that's the name of the image. So check the video description. You'll see the images and source code. So in your HTML, index.html, shift 1 to bring your basic documents. So the title, call it drop down website or the normal tutorials, that's my name. So in the body, go to your style.css. So in this place, we want to link our HTML to our CSS. Just type link. Then in this href, type the name of your CSS, style.css. So style.css is the name of our CSS file. So put it in that href. So then in the body, that's where we're going to put our work, our code. So div.menu to bring a div. So the class name is menu bar. Div.menu bar rather. So under it, bring UL. Under the UL, we're going to be listing something. So li. So home. Copy and paste. So about us. Then services. Then also clients. Copy and paste. Then we have investors. We have pricing. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. We have training. We have home. We have contacts. Also share this video if you like this video. Share to your friends and also leave a comment. So we have listed something. Now open your code with a browser so you can see this is what we have done so far. Home, about us, services, and we listed it. So let us style it with CSS. So to style it, just put this in your CSS. Padding should be 0. Margin should be 0. So go to your index.html. Okay, go back to your CSS. So the body, I want to style the body. So the background, I want to bring a background image. Background URL. So you can see now I brought my image now, background.jpg. That's the name of my background. So URL background.jpg. Okay. So the background size should cover the whole website. So the background position should be center. Then the font family should be sans serif. Sans serif. So refresh your web page. You can see this is the image. This is the image. So the height should be 100 VH. So refresh. So you can see now 100 VH. So overflow X should be hidden. So refresh. Overflow X should be hidden. So now copy this your menu bar class. So to call your class is dot menu bar. So in that dot menu bar, the background should be RGBA 0, 100, 0. So that's that color. So text align center. So you can see we brought a menu bar now, and our items we listed this in our menu bar. So we want to work on this listing right now. ULLI. So copy your dot menu bar. So UL rather. So display should be inline flex. So you can see that the display is now in a particular horizontal format. So list style should be none. We don't want any listing style. So color should be white. Refresh, you can see the color is white now. Okay, so we want to talk about the li itself. So that's dot menu bar ul, then add li. So the width should be 120 pixel, margin should be 15 pixel, padding should be 15 pixel. So refresh. Sorry, cancel that semicolon. Okay, good. So refresh, save and refresh. So you can see now. But this write up is not well. So let's add this to this place here. So box sizing should be border box. So save and refresh. You can see now that the menu bar is now well positioned. So go to your index.html. Now let's add href attributes, an anchor tag. So anchor href. So now just follow it the way I'm doing it. So copy, I want to copy that and redo it. So about, I'm adding href to it. So I just copied and pasted. So services, this one should be clients. So you're adding our anchor tag to our menu bar. We're adding a link. So pricing, so training. Okay, so contacts. To refresh, you can see that there's a line underneath our menu bar, but the color is not visible. So let's make some changes. So dot menu bar ulli anchor. Then the text decoration should be none. Color should be white. So refresh, you can see that the color is now white, and our text decoration is none. So let us add a class to our listing. So class should be active. This first one, that is home, should be active. So copy that active dot active, since you are calling the class dot active comma, then dot menu bar ulli and ulli. So we want to add an hover effect to it. So hover background should be this color code 2b. Just follow it. So the border radius should be 3 pixel. So refresh. So you see that the home has an hover that is stable, that is static, is active there. So that's what we just did now. So we want the home to have an active hover effect. So go to font awesome, CDM by stock path. So go to your Chrome, Google. So click on this one, font awesome 4.0. So copy this href, copy this link. I'm copying now, copy it. Href, stock paths, copy it from link rail style sheet. So copy it to the end of that place there. Okay, just copy link rail style sheet to the end where you have CSS. So go to your index.html, go to your head section. So paste it there. Paste it before the close of your head section. So I'm trying to break it so you can see it very well. So this is what I copied from the beginning of the link to the close of the CSS. So copy it and paste it before the end of your. So go to font awesome icon. We want to add some icons. So font awesome icon. So search for home. So this is the icon for home. You see the link. Click on it. Okay, highlight and copy. So I've copied the icon for home. Now I want to paste it. Now paste it there. So you can see beginning of. So paste it there. Then we deleted the other part. So refresh. It didn't show. Something is wrong. So let's go back again. So I made a mistake by don't cut it. You join us and I broke the code before. So refresh, you can see the icon right now at the beginning of home. So this you copied from the font awesome. Don't break it, just put it the way it is so they can work. So we pasted it in our home menu bar. So we'll look for icon for about us right now. So paste it. I just copied the one for home so that we can change it. So refresh, you can see we have icon of home in every one there, every menu bar. So we change it now for about us, we change it to user. For services, we change to clone. That's the icon we want for it. So for clients, users icon. Then for investors, AngelList. Then for pricing, INR, edit, phone. You can just check it from the icon menu. So refresh, you can see that these are the icons. All right. So we want to make some changes to those icons because they are not well positioned. So copy dot menu bar dot fa. So margin right should be 8 pixel. So refresh, you can see there's a space between the icon and the menu bar right now. Okay, so now I want to bring a sub menu. So let's bring a div after the first after the first after the home. So div dot submenu one. So our class is submenu one. So inside that submenu one, we're bringing our UL. So bring list li. So listing anchor tag. So href, put hash there. So we're writing mission. So copy this and paste. So once like so change that place to vision. Then change this one to theme. So want like three submenu under home. So it's not well positioned. So we'll make some changes using our CSS. So submenu one, I want to call on the class submenu one. So display should be none. So refresh. So nothing is displaying right now. Display should be none. Then colon. Let's copy dot menu bar ulli. So I want to add hover. So hover. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Also leave a comment and a like. Okay, so hover also does submenu one. So we're calling on all these things there. So display should be block, position should be absolute, background should be RGB 0, 100, 0. So we want a green color there. So margin top should be 15 pixel, margin left should be minus 15 pixel. So refresh. So you can see now we now have a sub menu. So copy this, then paste it. So UL, the listing. So display should be block, margin should be 10 pixel. So refresh. So you can see it is now under about us. So on that ULLI, so width should be 150 pixel, padding should be 10 pixel, border bottom should be 1 pixel dotted. So and color should be white. So background should be transparent. Border radius should be 0. Text align should be left to the left. So you can see we have a line there now, a dotted line. So under about us we have mission and vision and other ones. So copy this one, paste it. So last child. So that means I want to talk about the last item there. So border bottom should be none. So we don't have any line there at the bottom one. So we have all lines under everyone, but now we do not have again. So copy this. So anchor hover. So we want to talk about the hover. So color should be this color. The hover effect. You see a different color now when you hover around it. So that is the color that we have. So now we want to bring. So after that one, under services, we want to bring a submenu. So just copy this particular one we had. under about us. So paste it here. So we now have the same write up. So now edit it to web designing, then marketing, then mobile apps. So refresh your website. You can now see under services we have these things now. We now have web designing, marketing, mobile apps. Okay, so let's create. I want to create a sub menu under marketing and mobile app. Okay, let's change the icons first. So we have to give icon for marketing and mobile apps. So the icon we are giving to it is angle right, which is like a greater than sign. So angle right. So you will see it now. Refresh your web page. You should see it now. You can see it is close to the marketing and mobile apps. So we want to make some changes using CSS. Okay, so copy the angle right, FA angle right. Go to CSS. So dot FA angle right. So floats to the right. So you see that there will be a space now. So you can see there's a space. Okay, so that's for that. So we want to create a submenu under marketing and so look at marketing and mobile apps. We'll create a submenu. So let's give marketing a class of over me. Okay. So for marketing, so we're shifting. We want to create a submenu under market. That's why we shifted mobile apps down. So a submenu for it. So dot submenu 2. So that's a div. Div dot submenu 2. So inside this div, I want to create some things. So I want to copy. So we're creating a submenu under this marketing, right? So I want to copy what we've used before. So this listing, I want to copy it. UL, copy from UL. So paste it under this submenu under marketing. So when I change the write up from mission to SEO, then to social media, then to email marketing. So we're creating a submenu under marketing. You see it now. Under marketing, we have SEO, email marketing, and social media. So we'll now create for mobile apps now. Let's create, you can see now under mobile apps. So I'm shifting it down. Okay. So I want to give it a class. Mobile apps, let's give it a class of hover me also. So copy that div from div. So under mobile apps, we are creating a submenu, right? So copy that div, then paste it here. So I'm deleting some space. Okay, now so under mobile apps, we are creating the submenu and the class name is submenu 2. So let's change the right up the items. So mobile apps, Android app. So we should have iOS apps, iOS app, then Ionic app, then copy and paste. So we can have more. So Flutter app, then Unity app. So save and refresh your web page. So you can see now we have submenu under marketing and mobile apps. So you can see. So let's make some changes because it is not well positioned. So copy the class submenu 2. So submenu 2 under it display should be none. That means don't to see anything. So you can see nothing is there now, right now. So the next thing we're going to do is to copy the class which is hover me. Okay. So hover me, hover, then also the submenu 2. So position should be absolute. Then display block, margin top, minus 40 pixel, margin left, 140 pixel. Background should be RGBA 0,0, 0,100, 0, so which is green. So you can see there's not a color when we are hovering over it, and the submenu is not displaying well now. When you hover around marketing, you get that. When you hover around mobile apps, you get that. So that's the end for this video. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video. So leave a comment on the areas you find challenging, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out any video I upload. Thank you very much.